Hello, my name is Tim Badger. I'm a product trainer for the Rheem Commercial Water Group. I'm at the AHR 2025 show. Today I was going to talk to you about the new Ikonic. So Rheem Commercial Water Ikonic. It'll be coming out in March. The first product release will be in April. So it's a Rheem tankless gas. It'll go up to 199,000 BTUs. And so applications can include commercial kitchens. We have racking systems that can be either pre-built or that will be built on site. So it can be 1 to 6 units. So we have 1 to 3 that'll be a wall hung type unit. And we have 1 to 6 that can be built on a racking system. And the new features, so we have a built-in damper. So as we create, so we have common venting. So we don't need additional venting parts for prevent backflow. We also, in addition, have a built-in circulation pump as an option. We can manifold up to 32 units that will communicate together, and we can common vent up to 12 units.